Monetize your gaming channel. You can employ a number of techniques to start making money from your game Twitch channel or YouTube channel. To start, turn on monetization through the partner program of the platform so you can get a cut of the advertising money. Make sure YouTube has 4,000 view hours and at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, market apparel with your channel's name or logo, such as t-shirts and coffee mugs. Promote paid brand offers and sponsored material that is relevant to your audience. Additionally, you might make money from subscription services like Patreon, channel membership fees, and donations from fans. By advertising gaming-related goods and services and generating revenue through affiliate marketing, think about growing your business. Take use of new monetizable media like podcasts, courses, ebooks, and live events to expand your audience and content. You can create a variety of revenue streams around your gaming brand and content if you work hard and are creative. Here are some more specifics on how to make money from a gaming-related YouTube channel or Twitch stream. Do your research and pick the best network partners to join, such as Maker Studios or TGN, who can assist you in managing sponsorships and revenue. More options and sponsors are available on larger networks. Enable all monetization options, such as video advertising, pre-roll, mid-roll, overlay, sponsored cards, paid channel memberships, super chat, etc. Once you have earned YouTube Partner Program or Twitch affiliate status, improve your metadata to target ads with a high CPM. Put affiliate links front and center on your channel homepage and video descriptions. As a genuine influencer, concentrate on suggesting products, games, and services that you truly use. To get more bargains, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. To provide followers with exclusive benefits like emotes, badges, access to members-only material, and communities, offer paid channel memberships through YouTube or Twitch. This enables your followers to directly support you each month. During live streams, let viewers to tip you through super chats and stars. In the event that they show you financial affection, engage with them live. Sell amusing merchandise that is based on your brand, your market, well-known inside jokes, memes, and quotes from your channel. Create a Shopify shop that is connected to your videos. Present bespoke brand integration and sponsored content opportunities to sponsors and advertisers directly. Keep a media kit that highlights your value. As your game business expands, the secret is to diversify your revenue streams while maintaining your community and content at the center of what you do. Could you elaborate on the promotion of sponsored content? Here are some pointers for gaming creators on how to market sponsored content successfully. Make sure the sponsor's target demographic and your channel's niche are a natural fit. Inauthenticity is easily detected by gamers. Declare paid promotion or sponsored by brand audibly in the film to transparently disclose sponsorships in accordance with FTC rules. If you have any criticisms, express them honestly rather than merely mindlessly praising the sponsor's product. Offer a fair balance of advantages and disadvantages. Produce sponsorship-specific segments and naturally incorporate the sponsor's goods or services into gaming. Showcase the sponsor's product in a way that enhances or facilitates your gaming experience. For instance, a manufacturer of peripherals can give you equipment to unbox. Negotiate special offers, freebies, or trial periods that you may offer to your audience as a result of the sponsorship. Use your website, community tab, and social media to further promote and link to the sponsored content. Repurpose the sponsorship, if allowed, into different formats like specialized reviews, social media postings, live streams, etc. Track the effectiveness of your sponsorship through links or codes and let the sponsor know about any noteworthy metrics. Express your gratitude to the sponsor in person for helping you grow your channel and provide better content. Achieve a balance between diverse commercial material and your normal, unsponsored uploads. Align sponsorships with your upload schedule. The objective is to incorporate paid collaborations that seem like a win-win situation for your audience and your business. Which strategies are most successful for extending into affiliate marketing? Here are some pointers for game developers looking to successfully enter affiliate marketing. Find affiliate programs that fit your specialty by doing some research. Concentrate on products, services, or titles in the game industry that you actually like and would suggest. Affiliate links should be prominently shown in video descriptions, pinned comments, websites, etc. To avoid legal problems, make sure to declare affiliate relationships. For the products you are linked with, make specialized comparative articles and review videos. Instead of overtly promoting your viewpoints, give your honest pros and downsides. Describe how affiliate products enhance or complete your gaming setup in depth. Show, for instance, how a new GPU improves your frame rate. When recommending gear in your videos, use affiliate links. The HyperX Cloud Alpha headset I'm using is available on Amazon using the link I've provided. Whenever there are affiliate schemes that offer discount codes or coupon links, create them specifically for your audience. To encourage purchases, advertise time-limited affiliate discounts, promotions, and offers through social media and forum posts. To find the greatest bargain, compare rates across affiliate programs. Currently $50 on Amazon, but only $40 if you use my Newegg link. Highlight and suggest affiliate products in live streams that are pertinent to the subjects being discussed. Utilize UTMs to track your affiliate links and see which platforms and content result in the highest conversions. Over time, hone your strategy. Promote only things you actually like. Choose wisely. Overzealous affiliate promotion appears unauthentic. The secret is to seamlessly incorporate affiliate links into articles that already provide value to your readers. How can I make use of my game material in new formats that are monetizable? The following are some practical strategies for incorporating your gaming content into new monetizable formats. Start a podcast where you talk about your area of expertise, gaming news, developer interviews, strategy manuals, etc. Advertise and sponsor to monetize. Start a course where you share your knowledge of how to master a game, construct a PC, code mods, etc. Sell on your website or online learning environments. Create an ebook that expands on your best gaming advice and tactics. On your website, Amazon, or Gumroad, sell it. Create supplemental video material, such as vlogs, in-person streams, developer interviews, behind-the-scenes clips, and bloopers. Extend your watch period. Create a game blog on your website that focuses on news, reviews, and guides in your field. Earn money via ads. Offer digital products. Attend gaming expos and organize fan gatherings. Tickets for exclusive access are priced. Sell branded merchandise. Based on the personalities and inside jokes on your channel, create a humorous animated series. Get a license or make money via ads. Create or support neighborhood gaming competitions and events. Set entrance costs and solicit sponsorships. On-site merchandise sales are allowed. Create game videos with a focus on entertainment that have the potential to go viral, like comedic skits or animated parodies. Profit from ad sales. Work together on videos, cross-promotional initiatives, and branded projects with other game creators. Open up new markets and revenue. The secret is to transform your distinctive gaming knowledge, audience, and content into novel monetizable formats with their own earning potential. Can you suggest any sources for putting together a media kit? Yes, but to make easier to access, we put it the description of this video. How can I market my affiliate connections efficiently? Here are some practical suggestions for game developers looking to promote affiliate links. Make a special affiliate links page for all the products you endorse on your website, complete with categories and descriptions. Your channel banner, end screens, video descriptions, and even verbal mentions in your videos should all clearly promote your affiliate link. To encourage viewers, use words like shop my gear or get this game, affiliate link below in your call to action copy. Regularly promote and share your favorite affiliate finds on social media. Mark the brand and draw attention to sales. You should pin engaging affiliate links to the top of your YouTube community postings and social media pages. Create storefronts on Amazon Influencer or other platforms to neatly display all of your affiliate products. During live streams, add affiliate links at relevant moments, such as praising a fantastic headset you're using. Use affiliate links in your website sidebars, giveaway campaigns, email newsletters, and other content. Promote affiliates only for goods you actually believe in and enjoy. Your true self will shine through. To draw in visitors with specific intent, include affiliate links and evaluations of new software, hardware, or accessories. Post behind-the-scenes footage of you utilizing affiliate products or unboxing them. The value addition fosters trust. The secret is to incorporate affiliate links naturally into your content without being overtly commercial or pushy. Put your audience's needs first. What are some pointers for making a pitch to marketers and sponsors? As a game developer, you can use the following suggestions to successfully pitch sponsors and advertisers. Make a professional media kit that features information about your sponsorship opportunities, audience demographics, and channel statistics. Be specific about the value you bring. Discover brands that are relevant to your specialty, then find the right decision makers to approach. In emails, address them specifically. Start off with sponsor-friendly statistics, such as active subscribers, monthly views, completion rates, etc. Discuss options that go beyond standard shoutouts, such as integrated content, contests, coupon codes, and other inventive activations. Describe the placement options and costs for things like influencer posts, overlay ads, and video integration. Offer tiers of choices. Consider how you might assist sponsors in achieving important objectives like growing awareness, boosting revenue, or attracting Gen Z gamers. Promote the safety of your brand by avoiding controversy, making it safe for most advertisers, and engaging the community. If at all possible, give specifics about previous campaign performance or referrals from other pleased sponsors. To give them ideas, offer to make a unique pilot film or marketing proposal without incurring any charges. After your pitch, follow up nicely and satisfy requests for further metrics, media, data, etc. Respectfully bargain within reason, but don't bargain down on your platform or audience. If necessary, reject lowball offers. The key is demonstrating how, in contrast to other alternatives, sponsoring your channel uniquely coincides with a brand's aims. Be persistent but professional.